expensive fucking joint, man.
What's going on, YouTube? Dante from GrownGreen again here. Got another exciting pack opening for you. Got Top Stadium Club NBA basketball packs here. We got two different years. The first year here we got 1993-94. It's NBA Top Stadium Club. This one here is a 1995-96 Stadium Club. This one says it has 11 cards in it. Like I said, all these cards are open. It's a part of the attic finds here. He's found all these packs in the attic. Most of them were already open. My dad went through some of them, got some other cards, got some rare ones that we're sending out still to get graded, but got some packs still here. Might as well start a series, open them up. So if you guys like the content, please leave a comment, like everything. We're gonna see what we got in here. Maybe we got a Hall of Famer. We're really looking for Michael Jordan mostly. If you didn't see my other video, my first video I posted, we actually pulled Jordan in there. So that was actually an interesting video. You guys go check that out if you haven't seen that already. We got an Eden Campbell here. Trying to not ruin these cards. Lorenzo Williams. A free Stadium Club membership. Woo. Cool. Got a Joe Dumars. Tony Massenberg. And a Corey Blunt. So these cards, oh, we got one more. Chris Mills. So these cards don't got that much cool design going on to them. Here's what the backs look like for this year. Nothing too crazy. Guess the backs have some pretty cool designs on them. But that pack didn't have nothing too crazy. That was the 95-96 pack. It said it had 11 cards in it. I don't know if I pulled 11 there, so sorry about that. But we got another one here too. We got, this one's a series 2. I don't know what series that other one was. It was also series 2 as well, but this is a series 2. It says we got 12 in here, so let's see what we got. Feels like we might have 12 in here. Alright, let's hope they're not too sticky. Alright, Kenny Walker. Obviously looking for rookies are Michael Jordan, Ronaldo Blackman, Jay Humphries. Ooh, okay. Nice card here. Charles Barkley. I like the little the portrait on that one. Let's check the back out on there. Little side shot. Yes, sir. Pretty cool card there. Awesome. Put that to the side. Donald Royal, Billy Owens, Mario Ely, Popeye Jones. Is that a new wave? So that has a little design on the bottom there. Pretty cool, little logo. And the last one of the pack. Oh, two more actually. Got a Stacey Augmon. And the last one, Jim Les. Alright, so I think out of both those packs, the best one we pulled was this Charles Barkley. It's interesting. If you guys want to check out my eBay, that'll be linked in the description. But that'll be all for this video, guys. If you'd like, please, if you like the comment, or if you like the content, please leave a comment, like, subscribe. Do it up. Thanks, guys.
GrownGreen.